Hey everyone, welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark, and today we're going to practice English in a fun and meaningful way. In this lesson, you'll listen to a real lifestyle introduction that will help you improve your speaking, vocabulary, and confidence. So stay relaxed, listen carefully, and try to repeat after me. Let's get started. My name is Michael, and I'm 28 years old. I come from a small, peaceful town in Canada, a place where life moves a little slower and people know each other by name. It's the kind of town where mornings are quiet, the air feels fresh, and sunsets feel personal. That's where my story begins. I grew up in a loving family, surrounded by warmth, support, and simple values. My childhood was not filled with luxury, but it was rich in experiences, emotions, and lessons. My parents always taught me the importance of kindness, honesty, and hard work. They believed that success doesn't come overnight. It is built day by day through consistency and effort. From a very young age, I was a friendly and outgoing person. I loved talking to people, understanding their stories, and making connections. Whether it was at school, in my neighborhood, or during family gatherings, I always found joy in meeting new people. I was the kind of person who could start a conversation anywhere, anytime. As a child, I was also very curious about the world. I always wanted to know how things worked, why people behaved in certain ways, and what made life meaningful. This curiosity slowly shaped my personality and later played a huge role in the career I chose. In my free time, I developed a deep love for reading. Books became my escape, my teacher, and sometimes even my best friend. I was especially drawn to fiction stories and adventure novels. Through books, I traveled to places I had never seen, met characters who inspired me, and experienced emotions that shaped my thinking. Every story I read taught me something about courage, about failure, about love, and about life itself. I remember sitting near a window with a book in my hand, completely lost in another world. Those moments were simple, but they meant everything to me. Apart from reading, I also enjoyed watching movies and web series. Weekends were special because I would spend time with my friends, watching stories unfold on screen, laughing together, discussing plots, and sometimes even debating over endings. These moments strengthened my bonds and gave me a sense of belonging. As I grew older, I started understanding myself better. I realized that I didn't just enjoy stories, I wanted to create them. I wanted to share ideas, inspire people, and connect with a larger audience. This realization eventually led me to the field of content creation. Today, I work as a content creator. I create videos and podcasts that aim to help people learn, grow, and improve their lives. My work is not just about entertainment, it's about impact. Every piece of content I create carries a purpose. I talk about life, growth, challenges, mindset, and sometimes even personal experiences. I try to create content that people can relate to, content that makes them think, and content that adds value to their lives. What makes my job meaningful is the fact that I can help people every single day. When someone messages me saying that my video helped them feel better, or gave them motivation, or helped them see life differently, that feeling is priceless. But my journey has not been easy. Like everyone else, I have faced many challenges in my life. There were times when I doubted myself, times when things didn't go as planned, and times when I felt like giving up. Failure has been a part of my journey, but I never allowed it to define me. Instead, I chose to learn from my mistakes. Every setback became a lesson. Every failure became a stepping stone. I started understanding that life is not about avoiding problems, it's about learning how to deal with them. There were days when I felt lost, confused, and uncertain about the future. But even in those moments, I tried to stay positive.
I reminded myself that growth takes time and success requires patience. One thing I have always believed in is hard work. I truly believe that if you stay consistent and keep pushing forward, things eventually fall into place. Maybe not immediately, maybe not exactly how you planned, but they do. Along with work, one of my biggest passions is traveling. I love exploring new places, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. Every journey teaches me something new. It changes the way I see the world. I have visited many countries, and each trip has been a learning experience. I have seen different lifestyles, different traditions, and different ways of thinking. These experiences have made me more open-minded and understanding. Traveling has also helped me grow as a person. It has taught me how to adapt, how to communicate, and how to appreciate diversity. It has shown me that the world is much bigger than we think, and there is so much to learn from it. Despite everything, no matter how busy life gets, my family remains my priority. I am a very family-oriented person. I believe that no success is meaningful if you don't have people to share it with. I make sure to spend quality time with my parents and siblings whenever I can. Whether it's having dinner together, talking about life, or just sitting and laughing, those moments are irreplaceable. They remind me of where I come from and keep me grounded. Looking towards the future, I have many dreams. I want to grow my business and reach more people through my content. I want to create something bigger, something that not only entertains, but truly impacts lives. I want to build a platform where people can learn, grow, and feel inspired. A place where they can find motivation when they feel low, clarity when they feel lost, and strength when they feel weak. My goal is simple: to make a positive impact on society. I want to help people become better versions of themselves, not perfect, but better than yesterday. Because I believe that even small improvements can lead to big changes. When I look back at my life, I feel grateful. Grateful for the opportunities I have received. Grateful for the people who have supported me. Grateful for the lessons I have learned. Every experience, whether good or bad, has shaped me into the person I am today. And as I look ahead, I feel excited. Excited about the possibilities. Excited about the journey. Excited about the unknown. Because I know that life is not just about reaching a destination, it's about the journey we take to get there. And I am ready to continue this journey. To keep learning, to keep growing, to keep creating, and to keep becoming a better version of myself, one day at a time.